is it true that there's not a lot of inventory on the market right now for buyers to be considering when purchasing a home down at the shore? Or is it true that there's no place for those who currently own here at the shore? Is there no place for them to go? Well, today I'm going to feature a property for you down here in Cape May Point that I hope will really answer some of those questions for you and helping you with your buying decision and decision-making process if you're considering selling and making a new move into a new build for yourself. Welcome to Stites Avenue. So I wanted to bring this home to your attention today because this is a brand new construction built by Lawrence Spray Builders. And what's really beautiful about this property here is really one of the outside features, which is 150 to maybe 175 steps straight down the street right here, which is the Stites Beach access. So where we're located right now in Cape May Point, if you're familiar with that, you have the World War II tower, okay, the observation tower. And again, you're right next to the beach. So you're not far from the beach at all. It's a very private neighborhood, very quiet. So if you're looking for the beach feel, but you also want to have a little bit more of a neighborhood feel, Cape May Point may actually be the best location and maybe the most ideal location for you and your quiet retreat. So this new construction home, what does it feature? What could you expect in a fabulous house like this? Well, this home actually consists of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. You can see here in this beautiful room here, you have the coffered ceiling throughout the entire downstairs. The kitchen features your quartz countertops. Naturally, you can see you have the luxury vinyl flooring and you have a magnificent tile backsplash here, accompanied by your stainless steel packages here for your appliances. So there's many ideal features, as you can see, just laid out just here on the first floor. In the living room area, you have a gas fireplace, and right off the kitchen in this particular home, you actually have a 4-seasoned room there that's ideal for reading, could be a game room, extra TV room, whatever you want it to be, but there's a lot of ideal features about this home that might meet your needs. One of those is we know that a lot of times when folks are moving down to the shore, this could be a retirement situation for you. There's actually a first floor full master bathroom with its own bath that also is accompanied by a hallway bath, which is the half bath, so that obviously your guests and what have you are not troopsing through the master bedroom. Also on this level here is the laundry service. So that way there, everything that you need is right down here on the first floor. If this is something that you might need, that's gonna be more of a second home, and this is actually moving into more of your retirement stage of life. So you might be wondering, well, with this new construction, is the house gonna be so big that I don't even have a yard? Can I get a home that actually does have a lot? And it has a backyard where I can at least have some privacy and a little bit of space? Well, this certainly answers that question. You have a beautiful backyard that's just big enough, has a patio area to rest and relax in and enjoy maybe the summertime, meals in the evening, or just to relax in the afternoon as well. You have plenty of room if you did want to add in a small plunge pool. And of course, this home does offer a full-size outdoor shower as well. So there's plenty of space in a backyard here in a home like this one here. So the question we opened up with was, is there enough inventory, or is there inventory for new buyers coming into the market, or for those sellers who are considering selling but can't figure out if there's actually a place for them to go? Well, I hope I answered that question by showing you this beautiful new construction home. You see, there are options out there. The buyers that actually are purchasing this home, they found this home when it came on the market. They weren't even for sale yet. And we actually are going to help them facilitate the sale of their property as well. So what that means is you can enter into this marketplace, finding a new construction home. You can make the move into that. You could also decide, if you wanted to, that you could just tear down the current home that you're living in. And some folks are choosing to do that in rebuilding a luxurious single-family home as well. So there's some different options that are out there. But the fact of the matter is, there is certainly inventory. You just need to be talking with someone that can help you find it and figure out the best path and the best method for you to make the move into your next shore home.